Ano for Joy?
For Marie?
Joy! Marie.
Yep. Joy is gone.
Kita ko nga.
No, you don't. You don't know me. I don't know you. We're strangers now.
Ay, nag-aaral ka? Nursing?
Mag-aaral sana.
Ay, hindi. Okay lang, diyan ka lang. Dito lang ako, working lang ako.